नमस्कार. भुजन्ते ते त्वधम पापये पचन्तात्मा कारणायते. अर्थात whatever you eat, offer in sacrifice, give away, and practice as austerity. Do it as offering to God. Prasad. Prasad is a Sanskrit word prasadam, which means grace and favor. It is a material substance offering to God in a form of water and food. And it is prepared by chanting the verses of Supreme. In fact, in many houses, whenever ladies cook food, they chant the verses of Supreme while preparing it. And then a small portion of food they first offer to God. They eat it as they are equal to accept the blessings of God in a form of prasad. These are different kinds of prasad: makhane, patase, mishri, churma, and badana.
And this is Kada Prasad. When you visit Gurdwara Sahib, you get Kada Prasad over there.
Panchamrit. Easy steps to make Panchamrit is: take a bowl, add curd, 1 cup milk, and then tulsi leaves, 1 spoon honey, 1 spoon desi ghee, and then whisk it well. After this, add 1 spoon Ganga Jal, add cashew nuts, almonds, raisins, makhane. Again mix it well and Panchamrit is ready. Prasad or bhog word is derived from Sanskrit word prasadam, means grace or favor. What is Chhappan Bhog? As we all know, Krishna Janmashtami is celebrated every year as birthday of Lord Krishna. Devotees of Lord Krishna across the world offer him a variety of delicacies as bhog or prasad. Some of these dishes include milk, curd or makhan, as they are considered to be Krishna's favorite. However, there is a special kind of bhog that is offered to Lord Krishna called Chhappan Bhog. Chhappan Bhog literally means a holy offering of 56 dishes. The 56 dishes are divided in 16 kinds of namkeens, snacks, 20 kinds of sweets, and 20 kinds of dry fruits. The dishes in these 56 items differ as per tradition followed. However, some of the common dishes are dahi, rice, dal, khandi, chutney, murabba, kheer, makhan, mishri, jalebi, rabdi, malpua, mohan bhog, pakoras, puris, tikki, cashew, almonds, etc. The reason behind offering 56 dishes is very interesting. Residents of Vrindavan used to worship Lord Indra, the king of gods, in anticipating of ample rains. Once, at Krishna's behest, the villagers stopped worshipping the king of gods. Lord Indra got furious and lashed the village with torrential rains and caused massive destruction and floods. Seeing the plight of villagers, Lord Krishna lifted the Govardhan mountain on his little finger. He stood still for 7 whole days continuously until Lord Indra realized his mistake. As he didn't eat anything during the 7 days, the villager offered him a total of 56 dishes, counting 8 dishes a day as per Krishna's usual diet. That's how Chhappan. Happy Janmashtami to everyone.